Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present a comprehensive review titled Application of Fuzzy Logic, a review. Fuzzy logic plays a crucial role in various fields, including computer science, artificial intelligence, and control theory. This review delves into the diverse application of fuzzy logic across different domains, highlighting its significance in addressing complex problems characterized by uncertainty, vagueness, and imprecision. First, let's understand the concept of fuzzy logic. It is a way of organizing beliefs or ideas that cannot be precisely defined but depend on the context. Mirroring the human thinking and reasoning, this review explores how fuzzy logic has simplified the problem solving in numerous areas, leading to time, cost, and energy savings. Throughout the presentation, I highlight the key findings from the review and discuss the practical implications of fuzzy logic in the real world scenarios. By the end, you'll have a better understanding how fuzzy logic is revolutionizing problem solving across various industries. Today, I'm thrilled to present to you a research paper titled Application of Fuzzy Logic, a review, authored by two esteemed researchers, Ms. Kamal B. Oplenshwar, who holds a master degree in electronics engineering, and Mrs. Rupali S. Kokate, specializing in VLSI and embedded system. In their comprehensive review, Ms. Oplenshwar and Ms. Kokate aim to provide a detailed overview of application of fuzzy logic across various domains. Having their expertise in their respective fields, they truly examine the role of fuzzy logic in addressing complex problems and uncertainties in diverse areas. In this research, the goals and objectives are outlined as follows. The primary objective is to provide a comprehensive overview of fuzzy logic and its significance across various fields, including computer science, artificial intelligence, control theory, and mathematics. The aim is also to highlight the pivotal role played by fuzzy logic in addressing uncertainties, vagueness, and imprecision inherent in a complex system, elucidating its importance in problem solving, emphasizing fuzzy logic's contribution in simplifying complex process, improving decision making, and optimizing system performance across multiple industries is also important to the research. Throughout the presentation of examples and cases study, the research seeks to illustrate the practical implementation of fuzzy logic in the real world scenarios, demonstrating its efficacy and versatility. Exploring the diverse application of fuzzy logic across different domains such as soil science, operation research, agriculture, healthcare, environmental science, traffic engineering, petroleum exploration, household appliances, and machining is also a key focus. Lastly, the researcher aims to discuss emerging trends and future prospects of fuzzy logic in advancing various technological scientific domains, paving the way to computational intelligence and interdisciplinary research. Through the accomplishment of these objectives, the researcher aims to provide a valuable insights into the role of application of fuzzy logic in modern problem-solving methodologies. Now, we are delving into the research question guiding the examination present in the paper titled The Application of Fuzzy Logic. The researchers have outlined inquiries driving their investigation. First, they seek to understand how fuzzy logic contributes to addressing uncertainties and vagueness in complex systems across different domains. Second, they aim to discover the foundational principles and components of the fuzzy logic, including the fuzzy set, interference system, and linguistic variables. Next, the researcher explored the practical implementation of fuzzy logic spanning various sectors such as soil science, healthcare, agriculture, traffic engineering, and household appliances. They also compared fuzzy logic with traditional binary logic systems, assessing differences in flexibility, interpretability, and problem solving capabilities. Furthermore, the researcher examined the effectiveness of the fuzzy logic in the real world scenarios through examples and case study aiming to uncover its practical efficacy and potential limitations. Finally, they investigate how fuzzy logic can optimize decision making processes and enhance system performance in complex environments. The research questions serve as the guiding framework for the exploring of the presented in the paper. Now, we will move into the methods employed by the researchers in the gathering relevant data in the review. In finding data, researchers reference various study papers and articles authored by researcher, practitioner, and expert in the field of fuzzy logic and its application. These sources provide the valuable insight and information needed in the review. To set the stage for their research, the author searched academic databases, journal, conference proceeding, and relevant online resources. This comprehensive approach ensures they identified a wide array of study and articles related to fuzzy logic and application across the various fields. Utilizing the specific keywords and phrases related to the fuzzy logic, the researcher conduct throughout the searches academic database and online resource. This strategic use of keywords help narrow down their search and identity literature directly relevant to this review. Throughout these methods, the researchers were able to gather a diverse range of literature, providing a solid foundation for their review of fuzzy logic applications. In forming their dataset, the author likely followed a systematic approach. They collect and synthesize relevant literature from academic databases, journals, and other sources. They categorize the information according to the different application of fuzzy logic, such as healthcare, agriculture, household appliances, and more. This categorization likely provides structure and organization to their review. Moving on the data cleaning, the authors ensure the credibility and readability of the sources from which they gather information. They cross-reference information, obtain the multiple sources, and verify its accuracy and consistency. Additionally, they assess the quality and the potential bias of the study, including their review. This meticulous process like help ensure the integrity and robustness of their findings. Now, let's explore how the authors process the data gathered in their review. At first, they synthesize the information gathered in academic databases, literature of fuzzy logic application. This involves carefully reviewing the and extracting the relevant insight from a wide range of sources. Next, they organize data in categorical categories based on the different domains of application. This systematic approach like help the structure of their analysis and the identify the common themes across the various fields. Following that, the author analyzed the data, identify common patterns, trends, and key findings across the literature. This involved a thorough examination of the collected information to extract meaningful insight. Through their analysis, they provide insight in the practical implementation and significance of the fuzzy logic. This step involved the interpreting findings and drawing connections between the different application of fuzzy logic. Lastly, the authors developed a comprehensive overview of the fuzzy logic application in various fields. This synthesis of information provided the insight into the versatility and effectiveness of the fuzzy logic in addressing complex problems across different domains. The authors developed their model for the review by first, they identified recurring themes, patterns, and significant findings across the literature. This involved a comprehensive analysis of the collected data extract key insight and trends. Next, the author construct a conceptual framework to illustrate the practical implementation of fuzzy logic in various fields. This framework like to provide a visual representation of the relationship between fuzzy logic principles and their application in the real world scenarios. Throughout the development process, the authors integrated key insights and trends in the conceptual framework. This step focused on the significance and implication of fuzzy logic application, providing a deeper understanding and its multidisciplinary nature. Moreover, the authors contextualize the framework within existing literature and theoretical frameworks. This ensured that their model was grounded in established knowledge and provided foundation for the further research and exploration. Lastly, the model developed by the authors provided insight into the broader implication of fuzzy logic across multidisciplinary domains. It served as the comprehensive framework for the understanding of practical application of fuzzy logic and its relevance in addressing complex problems. The review found several findings regarding the application of the impact of the fuzzy logic. First, it identified the role of fuzzy logic in addressing uncertainties, vagueness, and imprecision prevalent in the complex system across varied domains such as computer science, artificial intelligence, control theory, and mathematics. Furthermore, the review found the extensive adoption of fuzzy logic across diverse fields, including soil science, operation research, agriculture, healthcare, environmental science, traffic engineering, petroleum exploration, household appliances, and machining. It also highlights the fuzzy logic aids to simplify the process, refining the decision making and optimizing system performance across the different industries, offering a flexible and interpretable alternative to the conventional binary logic system. Moreover, through the various examples and case study, the review showcased the practical implementation of fuzzy logic in real-world scenarios, illustrating the effectiveness in streamlining decision-making process and enhancing system performance across the various sectors. Despite offering a comprehensive overview of fuzzy logic and its application, the review acknowledged the existence of numerous potential applications, suggesting the possibility of the fuzzy logic to extend a contribution beyond mathematics into scientific disciplinaries and industries. These findings emerge the adaptability and efficacy of fuzzy logic in addressing complex challenges and optimizing process across the diverse domain. While the review comprehensively explored fuzzy logic application across the diverse fields, there still exist additional areas or domain that warrant the further investigation. Although the review likely outlined the conceptual framework of the theoretical model for existing literature, empirical evidence supporting these frameworks in practical context might be lacking. Given the complexity of fuzzy logic application, the review may not have fully identified all the complexities across different domains. That's all for the scientific review regarding the research entitled Application of Fuzzy Logic, a review. Thank you for listening and watching, and God bless.